Hey, what's up guys? Today I will show you how to export video in Blender, MP4 video format. Let's get started. First off, navigate to the Output Properties tab, which is right here. In this section, you can fine-tune various settings, such as resolution, aspect ratio, and the all-important frame rate. If you're aiming for that silky smooth playback, bump up the frame rate to 60 frames per second. Now, let's talk about frames. You have the option to adjust the frame range if you only want to render a specific segment of your animation. However, if you're rendering the entire sequence, simply set it from frame 1 to your desired end frame. You can change this option. I am setting the start frame to 1 and the end frame to 150. You can set it as you want. Next up, let's choose where to export our masterpiece. Click on this button to select your export folder. For this demonstration, I'll pick my go-to downloads folder. Moving on to file format. Click here. Then if you want a video, select FFmpeg video. Then click on the encoding section. Then select MPEG-4 from the list. Ensure that the video codec and other settings remain unchanged. Then click on the top left render button. Then click on Render Animation. Blender will now begin the rendering process. You can monitor the progress up here on the top left corner. Then it will render animation if you have it. Once it's done, close the render window, and behold, we've successfully exported our scene as an MP4 video file. Let's hit play and take a quick preview. Ah, look at that. And that's how you export video in Blender, MP4 video format. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more Blender videos. Thanks for watching.